What's up, guys? Welcome back. Lucy from Cyberpunk Edge Runners. Patreon request from Emmanuel. Landscape page, pencil and eraser, and hit pause if I go too fast. Start with our eyes. Typical anime eyes. So we go diagonal, up and across. Get us started, right? And then this kind of hooks down there, and then the bottom eyelid line, like so. Okay. So you got to thicken up the top eyelid. So you just add some extra weight to this line. And to this spiky part back here. It's quite thick in this character. So right, and then a line that goes that way. So her iris curves down around here. Boom. And then her pupil in the middle. Small enough pupil. Like so. Her eyebrow, quite small. So it's just like one of those pointy sort of ones, like that. And they're purple. And then under there we got like an eyelid line on top of the eye, and a line for the start of the nose. Go over and do the other eye, same thing. So you go diagonal, curve it across, spike it down. Bottom eyelid. And then we thicken up the top eyelid. A little spike sticking off the front. And we thicken up this spike at the back as well. Right, iris. Quite big. Pupil in the middle. Eyebrow, just above, small skinny eyebrow, just there. Add a section that you can color, and then the eyelid line just in there. She has this orange around her eyes, but it's done in color, it's not drawn in, right? So I'll add that at the end. So nose, very small. You just have this curved line there, and then a nostril just there, like a little dot. And then her mouth is two lines, so you've got like a sort of a gap in the middle, right? So sometimes in anime they like to leave that little gap just to show the top lip. And then the bottom lip, we just have a curved line, like so. Chin then, relatively small chin, pointy kind of curved line, just there. And like proportions of things, usually it is eye, pupil to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here. So that space and that space are about the same. It's not exact, but you know, you have a bit of wiggle room. If a character's head is tilted forward or back, it changes things. But roughly, to get a character looking forward, you want those two to be about the same. And then nostril to the bottom lip line on this character is about the same as bottom lip line to chin. So there and there are about the same, roughly. So you can go for the jaw, up the side, like that. Change direction about here. It's kind of lower. Usually it's mouth, but it seems to be bottom lip area on her. And change direction, go up that way. Very doll-like features. Jaw on this side, look like so. And then up towards her ear. This one curves in a little bit. Don't know if that's intentional or not. So her hair sort of covers her ear, so we gotta do her hair first. So she's got like a large spike of hair that comes down. Boom. All the way down off the page. And then we have square ones coming across here. And I'll erase anything I draw over because Emmanuel asked me to do that. So just square pieces of hair. Hairlines. So that one goes pretty much up close to the top. So there's like a bump here. And then this goes down to a spike down here. And then that long piece of hair goes off the page. And then we have another section there. And then a longer line. Boom. And then this goes back up like that. And then we can draw our ear in, so it just curves around here. And ear lines inside. Like that. And then another big long, a bump up here, and a curving line coming all the way down. And then it spikes here and comes back in behind her ear. And we've got like another line that way and there. The back of her hair just goes in behind her jaw, like so. And then she has like a shaved section or sort of these boxes. I don't know if they're part of a robot body, but maybe it's just shaved head here, lines shaved into it. Like that. Okay, moving down to the neck and the body. Right, so neck, line that way. Neckline on that side. Collar comes in. Like this. And she's kind of like a 3/4 pose. So it's kind of like longer on this side, see? Her shoulders are turned. So we've got like a big shoulder and a small shoulder. So this like steps down a couple of times. Right, like this. Down to a square section, and same over here. It's not like perfectly even or anything. She seems to have these lines that come in onto her neck, and what looks like a neckline here. So then the outside of this collar comes in like so. It's got this red edge to it. Like that. And then a black section going down this way. So as I said, right, so this shoulder, this whole shoulder area is 3/4, right? So that means like 1/4 is missing in size because it's turned away. So this is like 1, 2, 3, right? So this side is about half the size of this side, the whole shoulder, okay? So like we got her sleeve there, say. And the shoulder itself sort of comes out and then just like curves down, say there, right? So this space from the center of her chest to the edge of the shoulder is twice the size of this one. So like you want the other shoulder to be about halfway, right? So like say that's her sleeve, and then the other, so that's, so I say here, because 3/4, right? 1, 2, 3, roughly, when the body's turned away. And then we have a sleeve line, and then like robot lines or something, like stuff here. Collarbone. And there's like lines inside here on her skin, like on her shoulder. Like something else going that way. And she seems to have like a piece of clothing that like wraps around her shoulder, but we can't see it all. It just goes around that way. Yep, that's everything. That's how to draw Lucy from Cyberpunk Edge Runners. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.